The MOFT Smart Desk Mat. It's an adjustable desk mat that features a modular design that enables you to organize your workspace in various different ways. The mat itself is made from vegan leather and comes with a bunch of accessories that work via magnets. It's designed to accommodate multiple devices in different configurations, and it can be used on a desk or on your lap, and you can also adjust it to multiple angles. It includes a tablet holder, a MagSafe phone holder, an Apple Watch holder, and a bunch of other useful accessories. There's even 2 built-in NFC tags, which you can program to do pretty much anything you like. So for example, maybe you want one where you tap your phone and it automatically puts it into work focus mode. You can do that. Or maybe you can even do something like change your lights. They can really just be customized to do anything you like. I think the great thing about this desk mat is that it is just multi-purpose. So you can use it as a normal desk mat with a mouse and keyboard and have your accessories on it. Or you can mount your phone, your iPad, laptop, whatever you like. And yeah, just use it in a bunch of different configurations. It's a very sort of versatile desk mat.